ArcoLinux B, I think. Yeah, ArcoLinux B left IBM. That's what I started with, but hey, who cares, right? Because in the end, everything is possible with the ArcoLinux Tweak tool. You can add anything you want with the click of a button. Topic of the video is a question for a user called Alex. And Alex is trying to make a package build of Calamares. And Alex has Alexfeed1990 as URL repositories. The Calamares. He's trying to build it and has some issues. I have some time to spare, and I'm going to extract this here. So there are many Calamares versions out there in the world. Use GitLab, GitHub, Gitbucket, anything you come to think of, and then the word Calamares and package build, and you can learn from others. How do they build a package? We have Sublime texts, and we have here all the data we need. As package release, I would do it like this. So yes, you can change anything you like if you want to. And for the rest, we're just gonna try out if that's all good, what we have all here, all these application depends. Do we have that as well on our machine? And if not, we'll fix it. All right, so copy pasting all kinds of things, password rules. It came from somewhere else, I believe it told me, but let's close other tabs. Let's have a look. What happens if you run this thing? If you say to this thing, make package. Let's move you to the other screen. And yeah, let's type here make package. Then we get could not resolve all dependencies. So it needs all these things. And the switch to install all the rest is a -S. And he's going to get all the rest that he needs. So the lines that are in between here, the depends and also the make depends, they'll get installed on my machine now. I think we're already not building, but at least getting it from the internet, Git, right? And here we have liftoff. Now I have to scroll to the other computer because I stopped Discord on the other one. He was saying that he got an error. Trying to use an executable. It seems to run just fine. But of course, we don't need it. We don't need this. I mean, if it builds fine, doesn't mean it's gonna work fine on the DVD or the live environment, right? It still needs to have all the modules available there as well. So it might mean, Alex, that you need more packages on the live DVD environment, because that's also what we do. I don't know if I have something here, I guess not. So on the ArcoLinux ISOs, I can go to data. No. Downloads. Get started. I can do my copy paste like so. Yep, replace all. Voilà. In the meantime, Calamares is built. So LL, we've got ourselves a Calamares 46-1. Remember 01 and -1. Just change the name by the number, that's it. I was thinking of the following to explain to you that if we go to ArcoLinux ISOs and you go to the GitHub, you'll see that every one of these folders have installation scripts, ArchISO, and packages. And it's about the packages I want to address you. Check out if control find Calamares. If you have the application, if you have the configuration, but also if you have all this on your ISO, on the live DVD, as such, it'll probably be working, right? So that's why I always say to the guys who want to follow me in my footsteps, basically, and develop some kind of distro, compare, not only with my stuff, but also with stuff from the world, right? There is so much out there just by, yeah, let's try Calamares GitHub, no, not GitHub, package build. I'm pretty sure we'll get a package build from Manjaro, but I wanted to say what was there earlier, right? So see how they do it, see how EndeavorOS does it, and so on and so on. We all use, that's a new one, don't know yet, this guy, Oost Cool Walker. So there are so many out there. Chakra Linux, of course, Parabola, that's old, I think. But there is so much more, and you can define it a little bit more by saying anything on GitLab and look for stuff just there, or GitHub and just on GitHub. And from each of these, Cleanjaro, I believe you told something about that, Alex. So another package build, how to create the application, Calamares. But there's maybe more you can learn here, right? Repositories are here, ISO profiles are here. There is more to learn and to compare your code with. And with that exercise, you become smarter and smarter, and you don't need help of anybody. I have never asked any help from anybody. Melt, compare. That's the best thing to do. All right, I hope it helps you. Cheers.